Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many web developers face. Imagine spending hours working on a website, only to realize that clearing the cache for a specific site is not an easy task with default browser settings. Frustrating, right? Well, that's the problem our friend encountered. To solve this, they installed an add-on to manage the cache, but a new add-on caused confusion by appearing next to the usual one in the toolbar, leading to frequent accidental clicks. Sounds like a real headache, doesn't it? Now let's dive into the solution. The key to reordering pinned extensions in Firefox on macOS lies in customizing the toolbar. By right-clicking on the toolbar and selecting Customize Toolbar, you can easily rearrange the icons. Simply hover over an icon until your cursor changes to a hand image, then drag the icon to your desired position. Finally, click Done to save the changes. Easy peasy, right? This simple trick can save you a lot of time and frustration, making your development workflow smoother. Problem solved. In summary, facing the dilemma of misplaced icons in the Firefox toolbar can be a real nuisance for web developers. However, by utilizing the customization feature, you can effortlessly rearrange pinned extensions to suit your needs. Remember, a clutter-free workspace leads to a more efficient workflow. With that said, it's time to wrap up. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Keep coding, and may your icons always be in the right order.